Aha!
Welcome to Gen AI Briefs. Here's the news for March 21st, 2024. On the tech policy front, the Biden administration is doubling down on efforts to revive domestic semiconductor manufacturing through a multi-billion-dollar investment in chip giant Intel. But will it be enough to catch up with the industry's global leaders? The White House has proposed up to $8.5 billion in funding for Intel to boost its U.S. chip fabrication capabilities. This move aligns with the goals of the Bipartisan CHIPS and Science Act that President Biden signed into law back in August 2022, shoring up American semiconductor production and reducing reliance on overseas suppliers during times of supply chain disruptions. Intel plans to invest these federal dollars into new and expanded manufacturing sites across Arizona, New Mexico, Oregon, and Ohio. The semiconductor behemoth expects these initiatives will create around 20,000 construction jobs and 10,000 permanent manufacturing roles once the fabs are up and running. While lauded as positive steps toward reviving domestic chip-making prowess, some industry experts question whether even these massive investments will be sufficient to bridge the growing gap with titans like Taiwan's TSMC, especially considering the lengthy timelines required to make these facilities operational. Up next, we learn that the United Nations is set to vote on its first ever resolution on artificial intelligence, sponsored by the United States. The draft resolution aims to establish global guidelines for the safe and trustworthy development of AI systems while bridging the digital divide between rich and poor nations. A key focus is ensuring AI benefits are accessible across both developed and developing countries, viewing the technology as a potential tool to help achieve UN's Sustainable Development Goals by 2030. However, it also emphasizes the need for governance frameworks to prevent AI's malicious use or violation of human rights. The resolution encourages collaborative efforts among member states, private sector, and civil society to develop national AI strategies and regulatory approaches. If passed, it could lay the foundation for broader global cooperation and shared principles around ethical AI governance as the transformative technology spreads. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, represents a major milestone in AI development, the creation of systems that can perform any cognitive task at human levels across different domains, unlike today's narrow AI focused on specific tasks. However, AGI raises concerns about the unpredictability of such advanced AI decision-making and potential misalignment with human values. At the recent GTC conference, Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang discussed the challenges in defining and predicting AGI's arrival timeframe. He suggested AGI could potentially be achieved within 5 years if certain tests are met. Huang also emphasized the need to address AI hallucinations, where systems output convincing but incorrect information. To tackle hallucinations, Huang advocated for AI systems to verify information from multiple reliable sources before generating critical responses, like for health-related queries. This cross-checking against known facts could improve the reliability and trustworthiness of advanced AI outputs on high-stakes issues. That's it for today's generative AI news. Please subscribe to Gen AI Briefs, and I'll see you tomorrow.